Hello, Future Millionaire. This is the 10th part of the 30 parts video. I thought to show you something about Gold Coast. This is one of my favorite food on the Gold Coast. It's called Fish Emporium, and the location is superb. Coming having seafood. Look at that. Yeah. By the way, those houses, each one around nowadays, $7-8 million. So in theory, 20 Bitcoin Cash in 2025 can buy you those houses here. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Hello. So before I start my first meal of the day, yeah, I don't eat breakfast. That's how I stay away from being overweight. And I just want to add something for those people who really just joined the Bitcoin Cash community for the first time and thinking, is this thing a scam, and why so many people talk about Bitcoin Cash being a scam? And I want you to understand that there's a very strong competitive mindset among all cryptos. Everybody thinks their crypto is the best. No one else has the better one than they themselves. So this is normal, this is healthy. However, sometimes passion can boil over. And when that happens, people get crazy, they get aggressive. So I want to use my series of videos to tone down the aggressiveness of this thing, instead bringing fun again for all the people into crypto space, and just remember why you are in this space and why you are investing in those coins. And I don't really care which coin is your favorite coin. The most important part is understand it is an alternative to fiat currency. You are the change leader. You are changing your own ecosystem to a crypto-based currency system, not fiat currency-based system. Always remember, central banks have the money under their control, and they can print as many trillions as they want. And when they print those money, they can actually not control where the money goes to. But in crypto space, we control our own money. We are the master of our own destiny. And that's the reason more and more people join the freedom movement and not being a slave to the banks. And I just had today actually quite terrible experience with the bank, because I had to wait outside for the bank to open. In crypto space, everything's open 24 hours, every time, all the time. There's no limit. And I had to increase my spending limit in my bank account so that I can send the money for the car in one go. In crypto space, I can spend as much as $100 billion in one go, or just as little as 1 cent in one go. I probably say crypto space. I didn't say BCH because I want to be respectful to other coins. We are in this together. We all do it for the same reason. So please keep all that in mind and really, really be nice. And anyone who say anything bad about somebody else, just remember, is that how you want to be treated? Or is that fair how you treat other people? You always want the same treatment as you would expect from other people for yourself. And courtesy is step one. Alright, my food is getting cold. I'm gonna tuck in. Alright, see you tomorrow in the next 10 videos. Bye.